Welcome to CocoCay, Royal Caribbean's private island. Let's check out what this piece of paradise has to offer. Coming from the main entrance at the end of the pier, you can walk all over the island. Or go to the right to catch the island tram. We're heading all the way to South Beach by tram. There is a walking path you can use if you want. Welcome to South Beach. There's a floating bar and beautiful quiet beaches, plus a bar, sports courts for fun in the sand. You'll see a lot of snack shacks across the island with sandwiches and burgers. Next, we're going to take the tram all the way to Breezy Bay. And we'll also check out Oasis Lagoon, which is the pool, and it's right next to Breezy Bay. Breezy Bay has larger-than-life chess, Connect 4, and pool. They have cabanas to rent and lots of free loungers right next to the beach. Beach beds are also available to rent. On Breezy Bay, there's also another snack shack. We're going to head up to Oasis Lagoon Pool. They have a swim-up bar right in the pool. And this is a beautiful pool with tropical palm trees and just lots of greenery. Next up, we're going to walk to Harbor Beach, which is a quiet beach. Skipper's Grill is a free buffet right next to the beach. This beach has a great view of all the cruise ships. Walking back to the entrance, we'll pass by Splashaway Bay and Thrill Water Park. This walk is nicely shaded by natural trees and shade structures, plus benches if needed along the way. Here's Splashaway Bay. This is a kids' fun zone. Keep cool and have fun. Right across is Thrill Water Park. This is an extra cost, where you can buy a day pass. They have a lot of slides and a wave pool. Next is Captain Jack's Bar. This bar has really fun seating and it overlooks Harbor Beach. It also has a stage and bar games. And right next door is Captain Jill's Galleon. This has a lot of slides and water fun for the kids. From the entrance, we're going to take a tram to Hideaway Beach. Hideaway Beach is the adults only area where you can buy a day pass. This place is great. There's a central bar called Hideaway Bar. plenty of great seats, and it's a swim-up bar. Right next to the bar are cabanas and daybeds to rent, and they're very convenient to the pool, the bar, and the beach. Right by the beach, you'll see a nice little bar and Slice of Paradise pizza. In this beach, the ocean is very calm and beautiful. To the right of the bar is the pool, and down the path is where you'll find the food and picnic tables. And at the very end, you'll find On the Rocks bar, where they have table, shuffleboard, nice seating, live music, and a pool table. There's also another tram stop right by this bar. And we'll take the tram right from On the Rocks bar all the way back to the entrance. And from the entrance, we're going to take a nice walk to the left of the entrance all the way to Chill Island. This bridge is a great place to take a picture of all the ships in port. And there's a lot of shops, cabanas, and beach chairs. This beach is the closest to the ship, so it gets pretty busy. The Wacky Seagull is a fun bar. And the fresh buffet is available with lots of food. There's a tram stop here too. And past the tram, you'll find shore excursions and water sports. And a bar that overlooks Breezy Bay. Everything here is so beautiful. And finally, heading back to the ship, you can walk or take the tram. I hope you enjoy your day at CocoCay, which is a beautiful private island with so much to offer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.